Sun in Taurus. In the 8th house, the cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the 8th house, your true power is hidden far beneath the surface. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of physical value and security. And the 8th house is the intense, mysterious realm of transformation, deep psychology, and shared resources. When these forces collide, your life purpose becomes centered around hidden depth. You aren't here to live a superficial or predictable life. You are here to look directly into the mysteries of human nature, master the complex world of power and finance, and find an unshakable inner security that nothing in this world can destroy. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your profound emotional and financial resilience. Because the 8th house governs complex human motivations, your Taurus drive gives you an instinctual radar for hidden agendas and an absolute, unshakable calm during a crisis. You possess a rare, magnetic weight that makes people trust you with their deepest secrets and their most valuable resources. You are a natural crisis manager and an exceptional researcher who can stabilize chaotic financial or emotional situations with ease. When a massive life storm hits, you are the one who stands firm, absorbs the shock, and rebuilds from the ground up. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a craving for safety in the house of transformation can easily turn into a toxic obsession with control. Your biggest challenge is a deep fear of vulnerability and a tendency to hold on to grudges, secrets, or past trauma with extreme stubbornness. Because you fear losing your security, you might treat intimacy like a business transaction, withholding your true emotions or your trust to maintain the upper hand. You might also become hyperfixated on financial control, hoarding resources out of a fear of scarcity. Your cosmic lesson is the art of release. You must learn that true power isn't about holding on tightly. It's about having the courage to let down your guard and trust the flow of life. Ultimately, you are here to show the world how to turn deep pain into permanent power and stability. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the 8th house. See you in the next breakdown.